Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a dynamic zoom. So I just import the video here. You can right click on import or Control plus I, grab the video, drag it into the timeline, and here make sure we have effects control. So here, because when you select the video, this is what you're gonna see. And if you can't allocate effect control, go to Window. And here, click on Effect Control or Shift plus 5. Now, what we have to do is just decide where we like to add the zoom, and if the quality changes while you're scrubbing or you're moving through your video, just make sure you go to right-click, Playback Resolution Full and Full. Alright, now I'll select the video and I'd like to zoom to this portion of this video, and I'll select the video. And I will add a keyframe for position and for scale. Okay, position and scale. And then I'll just move a couple of frames ahead. And then I'll add another keyframe here. And I will zoom in. That's the position. Sorry, I'll move here. I'll zoom in. And I'll click on position. And I'll position like this. Now, if you click on motion, you can also click on here, position. And to change the position, you can also click on position or change from here. And you can, if you click on motion, then you can just grab, which for me it's easier to do it this way. And now we have a very nice zoom in, as you can see. Now just select this both of this keyframe, you right click, go to temporal interpolation and add ease out, and then for again temporal interpolation and as is in. All right, now looks better. Perfect. And now we add another keyframe here, and here I'm just gonna reset the resolution, so the zoom in, because now we have this other just zoom out, and a very simple zoom out. And for this one you can also add some Bezier or auto or continuous, whatever you want, just test, just see which one you like. But of course, now if you click on position, you will see all your keyframes for position and for scale as well. And if you zoom in, we can just extend this and this. If you want to go into some to change the keyframes, so if now you control plus plus or just plus, you don't have to press control, sorry. And now we can actually change, if you want to add or change the curves exactly the way you want. Maybe you want like this, and now is the different way. Well, as you can see, it's totally in a different way, which you probably don't want. But yeah, just so you know, like if you made a mistake, you can simply go Control Z and you can undo your mistake. Very easy, don't worry. But it's good to test because this way you can learn and you can practice by just testing and see how it's working, so this can help you to learn Adobe Premiere. Even if you make mistakes, that's normal. So Control plus Z, you can also go to here to undo, Control Z to redo, Control Shift Z. All right. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.